5 herbal remedies for natural pain relief. Inflammation, a protective response that causes tissue swelling, is the primary cause of pain. Drugs like aspirin, naproxen, and ibuprofen are used by over 30 million Americans to treat muscular cramps, headaches, sports injuries, and chronic diseases like back pain, neuropathy, and arthritis. The issue with these medications, however, is that they have some major negative effects. The good news is that natural solutions are available. They're all natural, safe to use, and very effective at reducing inflammation and discomfort. White willow bark and feverfew. Because it contains a chemical, salicin, that has properties similar to aspirin, white willow bark is especially useful in alleviating headaches. It works similarly to aspirin in reducing inflammation, although it is considerably gentler. Every 3 to 4 hours, you should take 120 to 240 milligrams of standardized salicin. Willow bark should not be taken by children under the age of 17. Feverfew is a long-acting pain reliever that also helps to prevent headaches. It has the potential to relax blood vessels in the brain, preventing constriction, which is the primary cause of migraine headaches. It is suggested that you consume 100 to 200 milligrams every day. The advantages may take 1 to 2 months to appear. Boswellia. Boswellia, often known as frankincense, is a natural pain reliever that can help with both minor and chronic pain. Its active elements help to minimize the formation of inflammatory molecules that are linked to a variety of chronic illnesses, including rheumatoid arthritis. Take 750 milligrams 3 times a day in 3 separate doses. Curcumin. Curcumin is an active element in turmeric that has anti-inflammatory qualities and increases the body's ability to combat inflammation. Curcumin has been scientifically proven to relieve chronic rheumatoid arthritis discomfort. Curcumin should be taken 3 times a day, at 400 to 600 milligrams each time. Ginger. Ginger includes enzymes that prevent inflammatory chemicals from being produced. Take 2 grams of ground dehydrated ginger twice a day for acute discomfort. Reduce your intake to 1 gram per day, divided into 3 doses, if you have chronic illnesses. Arnica. Because it contains chemicals that promote immunity and reduce inflammation, Arnica has been used for therapeutic purposes for a long time. Arnica, like ibuprofen, can be applied topically to relieve pain and restore joint function. It can also be used to treat acute injuries like bruises, strains, and sprains, as well as post-operative recovery. Apply Arnica gel or cream 3 to 4 times per day for this reason. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.